Hello, my people. Bless you for coming. Another update on our board. Yes, so today I did here and have vital info on how to make money online by just liking, commenting, and sharing other people posts on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Even crazy. It sounds like a joke. Yes, I was asking myself same questions, and Charlie, trust me, I have payment proof to this, and it's going to bust your brain. I chanced on a platform that is going to pay you to do this at least $7 to $10 a day. You are going to grab it, and it's cool chop, easy way to make money online. Sounds crazy. I was asking myself so many questions. This is a scam. This is not going to work. How is this possible? Just liking and just sharing, just commenting, then you get paid? Crazy. So from here, I'll be taking you through my screens and I'll show you how to do this. Let's go and watch this. Hello guys, so straightforward to my dashboard. This is how my dashboard looks like. You can see I've linked my LinkedIn account, my Facebook account, and my Instagram account. So we're working with these three social media handles. So you can see my engagement dashboard. Total payout is 7.57. Yes, and I will open my PayPal account for you to see the payment proof. So at first I was like doubting this particular platform because they will just ask you to add your PayPal address. There's no payout button that you're going to click on it for you to get paid. So automatically they pay you ending of every month. You see, yeah. So what you make, then they'll pay you at the end of the month. So I was relieved when they finally sent me the money. And let me open my PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, subscribe to the channel because I'll be taking you through how to get verified PayPal. If you are in Ghana and you are finding it difficult to get PayPal, subscribe. If you are in Nigeria, you're finding it difficult to get PayPal, subscribe, and I'll be taking you through how to get verified PayPal in my next video. So let me take you through my PayPal account. So let's wait for the code to come. So I can enter the code here. Okay, it's in. Yes, so the code is in. So yes, I'm in my account right now as I talk with you, and let's check here. You can see payment received, payment sent, history over here. So it was signed on 16 December 2023, and you can see from a payment from Main Event Digital. So 7.57, confirming the payment that they said they sent, and as you can see, they here. As you can see, it's here, and it was on December 16th. December 16th. All this money was sent from December 16th. So this payment came from LinkedIn and Facebook only. LinkedIn and Facebook only. So Charlie, this is how it works. They are going to send you whenever that you get taxed. All that you have to do is come to your dashboard and you see all the tax over here. Then you come, click on it, then you go straight. It will take you to let's say if it's a Facebook tax that you are to perform, it will take you to your Facebook account. Then you go like and do all the nyama nyama stuff. So let me log out and show you how you are going to sign out and show you how you are going to create the account for yourself. So when you come to the website like this, this is the front page I want to take you to. Just want to take you to the front page of this website. Yeah, so this is how the front page of the website looks like. Do you have 1,000 or more followers on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram? Get paid to engage with content. So easy as that. So when you come to the platform like this, just click on sign up. If you don't have any of these social media handles, go and grab yourself one and let's start making money. Welcome to Overdrive. Let's continue. So first you enter your name here. Let's say I am OB. I'm not from Nigeria though. Yes. Okay, let me use I'm Kwame. Then you press next. Last name Kwame Andy. Then okay. So email address that you want to use, you enter the email address here. Let me think of one that I want to use. Okay. Okay. Or should I use? Okay, let me use this one rather. Yes. So you click on that, then you enter your password here. You follow the description here as they are saying. Must contain at least 8 characters, must contain at least max of 15 characters, must include at least one uppercase. So you follow all these steps, then do as they say. As they say. Okay. So when you're done, then when you're done like this, then you click on OK. It will take you to the next phase, that is 5. So phone number over here, you just have to enter. If you are I'm from Ghana, so I'll enter my Ghana digit and make sure the number is on WhatsApp. Yeah, if you really want to receive notification about new tasks that you have to do, you can insert your WhatsApp number here. Or if you want to receive SMS on a particular phone number, you can use that one as well. So let me think of one that I'm not using for now. Okay. No. 533. Yeah. So assuming I'm using this number, you can forget about the cell phone. We want the WhatsApp only. If you want to add cell phone too, you can add cell phone, but I'm using WhatsApp only. So okay, it will take you to the next step, that is number 6, preferred communication channel. So over here you are selecting the communication channel that you want to receive notification, because if you get new offer, they will automatically send you that offer through that, let's say your email, your WhatsApp, SMS. Not anytime that you'll be able to log on your account and check whether you're having tax to do or not. So adding your WhatsApp or email or SMS will make it easier for you to know that no, I have a work to do. Let me go and do it. You see, and every work that they will send you, every task that they will send you, there's time on it. That is 90 minutes. You have this 90 minutes time frame to finish the work, or else it will expire. So I will use WhatsApp because I am always active on WhatsApp, and any message that it will come through my WhatsApp, it will be easy for me to answer it. Okay, so here you enter your PayPal address. So if you are not having PayPal now, you don't have PayPal now, just enter your email over there. Just enter your normal email address over there, and I will take you through how to make PayPal account when I'm done with this video. So subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that when I release, you get it. So let's say I am having this, I will add. You cannot add one PayPal account to multiple accounts. So one account, one PayPal account. So make sure you take note of that. So I'm using my own email address. This email address is not on PayPal, but I'm using it. Later on, you can change it if you finally create your PayPal account. So let's go. They've sent you verification. Thanks for registering as an influencer on our platform. You will receive confirmation. So let's go back to our Gmail and see if we have the verification in it. Yes, so it's in. As you can see, this is the verification email. Dear Witness Media, Andy, thank you for registering as an influencer. So confirm, then you click on confirm. But wait, let me copy the link to this browser rather, because I want to work in Opera, in Chrome, not Opera. So I'll copy the link and paste it here to get the verification done. Yeah, so Thank you for joining our platform. So then you log in from this side. Yeah, so we are in right now. Add your profile picture. So this is optional. You can choose to add by clicking here or dragging and dropping your picture in it. So let's say I want to use this image. Yes, I want to use this image, and I can resize it and next move. So here you type in your biography. It doesn't necessarily have to be a lengthy one, just a short, simple thing about you, and you're good to go. Yeah, so over here too, you have to insert your LinkedIn page, you insert your Facebook page link, your Instagram page link, then you're good to go. If you don't know how to copy all these things, let me show you over here. So let's say you get on your Facebook page like this. I've used all these pages, so I can't use it once again. You see the thing, I can't use it again. So what I'm going to do is to network very slow over here. So what I'm going to do is to, you see this part that is showing newspaper US online. I'll copy only the newspaper US online like this, only that one. Then you come back to the account and paste it. Let's say this is Facebook page, so you paste it here. Then you're good to go. You see the thing? Yes, you're good to go. But I will not add it. Let me add a name here and then move to next. Who's calling to disturb? Yeah, so you insert all your social media handles, then you click next. So over here, you just have to enter your address. Let's say I'm in Kumasi. Enter your address, Kumasi, Ghana. Then Ashanti region, your region, you choose it for here. Zip code 0233. Then you're good to go. Okay. Next, over here, make sure you select your category, favorite categories, or what your page is about, or either you can select all of them, or choose to select some and leave some. So let's say we're done doing this, you move and you select your language. If you speak Chinese too, you can select Chinese. Spanish, you can select all the languages if you like. Then you click next. So we're done with our account. So what is left is for us to verify our WhatsApp. So when I click verify WhatsApp, they will send me WhatsApp message on that number I added. You see the thing? They will send me WhatsApp message on that number I added. So I'll get to, if I reply that message, then it means I am a real person and my WhatsApp has been verified. So that is all about this particular platform. So let me log out and log in back to my account, my official account that I'm using. Started this not long ago, so let me sign in. Yeah, so this is my account right now, so the top of June, and so far I'm not having any tax yet, but I'm sure very soon I'll get alert on my WhatsApp, and I will. Sometimes I miss out some of the tax because they will send me and I'll be asleep. For you not to miss out most of the tax that they will send you, you have to come to your profile here. Click on it and go to profile. So when you land here, scroll down and you see availability based on time zone. So availability based on time zone, you see my own is messed up. So I have to arrange it, let's say 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. 6 a.m. So you set your own according to how available you are on WhatsApp or online. Okay, let me do this it will be easier for me. So you set all the days just like that. Set all the days just like that. Yeah. So 6 to 11. It's okay. It's okay. 6, 7 to 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 10 to 11. So you set it like that. Set it like that. Set it like that. So we're good to go. We're done setting our time zone. And over here, to any changes that you want to make from the interest, you can do it over here. If you want to make changes in your address too, you can do it from this side as well. So let me use this. And your PayPal too, you can change it over here with time. So that is it. Then you click on save. So far saved, and you're good to go. Let's come back to dashboard and let me show you something over here. I think my page is reloading and I have to wait for 20 before the numbers will show again. It's because I made changes to my profile, that's why it's still loading. I wanted to show you over here LinkedIn. You see LinkedIn, you can like one post and get, let's say, 50 cents. You can comment and get 50 cents depending on the numbers. I'm having low numbers on my LinkedIn, but Facebook, I'm getting $1 for just liking. I'm getting $1 for $1.5 for commenting, and sharing too. I'm getting $1. So in all, I think in all, liking, sharing, and commenting with Facebook, I get $4 with that. $4 on a post. So it's a great move, and you can also try it out. I've been messing out most of the text, but right now I'm active, and any message that you send me on WhatsApp, I'm good to go and ready to work on it. Thank you very much for staying through. This is Overdrive Viral. Check description. The website is Overdrive Viral. Check description and grab the link and go join. Start making money with your social media handles, because liking, commenting, and sharing posts on social media is daily thing that we used to do anytime we do one. So why not monetize it by joining this platform? Thank you very much for staying through this update with me. Subscribe, because I have a lot for you guys. Thank you. I'm out. Bye bye. Thank you very much for staying through to this. And so this is crazy. Go out there and try it out. Check below in the description for the link and use it to sign up and start making money online. Subscribe to the channel as well, because I will be bringing you more insane, crazy updates on how to make money on this channel. Bless you for staying through with me. I'm out. Bye bye.